Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PaperMC. First, ensure you have Java installed on your system. It's crucial for running the server. Next, navigate to the official PaperMC website and download the most recent server JAR file. Finally, create a dedicated, empty folder on your computer where all your server files will reside. This keeps everything organized and easy to manage as you progress. Now, place the PaperMC JAR file directly into the server folder you just created. Open a text editor and create a new file named Run. BAT for Windows or Run. SH for Linux/Mac OS. Inside this script, you'll specify the Java command to launch your server and allocate memory, like 2 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance for your players. Execute your start script for the first time. This action will generate several essential server files, including the EULA, TXT and server, properties files, open EULA, TXT and change EULA equals false to EULA equals true to accept the Minecraft end user license agreement. Then, open server. Properties to customize settings like game mode, difficulty, and the server's port. With the EULA accepted and properties configured, simply run your start script again. Your PaperMC server will now launch, and you can connect to it using your Minecraft client. Remember to regularly monitor your server's console for any errors or performance issues. Keeping an eye on player activity helps maintain a great experience. Also, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.